Is your Instagram showing the couldn't refresh feed error? Don't worry, this is a common problem, and in this video I'll show you how to fix it quickly on your phone. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, turning airplane mode on and off, restarting your router. A weak connection is one of the main causes of this error. Step 2. Restart Instagram. Close Instagram completely, remove it from recent apps, then reopen the app and refresh your feed again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue instantly. Step 3. Clear Instagram cache. If you're using Android, long press on the Instagram app, select App Info and scroll down to Storage. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. Step 4. Update Instagram. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram. If an update is available, install it. Outdated versions often cause feed errors. Step 5. Log out and log back in. Go to Instagram settings and log out, then sign back into your account. This refreshes your account connection. Step 6. Check date and time settings. Incorrect phone date and time can affect app syncing. Go to phone settings and enable automatic date and time, then reopen Instagram. Step 7. Disable VPN or third-party apps. If you're using VPN apps, Instagram mod apps, automation tools, disable them temporarily. These can trigger connection problems. Step 8. Reinstall Instagram. If nothing works, uninstall Instagram, restart your phone and reinstall the app. This fixes most persistent issues. Step 9. Check if Instagram is down. Sometimes the issue is from Instagram itself. If servers are down, you may need to wait until the platform fixes the problem. Avoid excessive actions like following too many people quickly, spamming likes, comments. Instagram may temporarily restrict your account activity. And that's how to fix the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more Instagram fixes and tips.